Come and buy your fresh tomatoes. Hi bestie, today na Edikang Ikong we dey cook. The kind soup wey go make person propose to you for kitchen table. Come make we go buy ingredients together. Water leaf must fresh oh, no be today wahala. This your ugu really fresh well, but why the price too high like this? Abeg reduce am for me oh, cut money comot for there, add jara join am. I go take this beef and the goat meat. Abeg cut am well for me. How much be everything together? Oya, take your money. This stockfish don dry well. The price too high, but the fish fine. Omo, market don tire me. But bestie, na today, make we cook this soup. Una sabi say na this same soup I use trap my ex back then for uni. Boy no even sabi cook water. I just laugh am off. That time no be money oh, na hustle season. But love and hunger no dey gree stay for one place. I still find better meat put inside. Our meat don dey boil well like this. The smell sef sweet well. This food go sweet direct. Light face. Na this oil be the soul of the soup. No be say na small oh. Pour am well. This pepper sef, e dey pepper me. Now make we add our ground crayfish. This smoked fish go give am sweet taste. E don ready, e sweet die. This na the part wey soft and correct. Patience oh, no rush am. Ugu no need too much fire. Just small time and e go don ready. This soup sweet die. Abeg make we enjoy am. Trivia. So bestie, that's your Edikang Ikong soup wey get history. If your person no propose after you be my fault oh. Make sure una like, share and don't try am before. See you next time bestie.